We're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link it to the brains. Dude! Delta, Delta, Delta. Cyber emergency. So I'm gonna tribute him for Delta. I'll get something. Alpha. Alpha. If I do Delta, tribute. I think I need to get this guy in the grave. If I want two of them in there, I go like this. Alpha, another Ben 10. Just load up on the Ben 10s. Then I can Delta Ben 10. Tribute Ben 10. Special from the grave. Reveal a ritual speller monster. I got a monster, draw a card. Okay, I got the. Oh, I needed this card too to do the. What's it called? Play. Let's just load up on the Bentons. Could go for a orange light. Orange light. Am I going to be rude? Take the safe route. And the not like Karibo. This guy here. Do the Ben 10 from the grave. Yeah, let's do that. Come on, let me. There we go. Oh, forgot to put that on. Two monsters with the same type or attribute. Union carrier. Effect, target himself. Original type or attribute. Attribute. Dawn, night. And gains 1,000. Medium Dryton. Doing the from the grave Benton. Union carrier. Kishki Shoken. Cyber Angel Benton Dawn Knight is going to dump the Gamma. And the Gamma contribute the Benton from the field. Special from grave. Effect. Special from grave. A Dryton. Benton. Do I get Natasha now? No, it's just gonna be Vanity's ruler. Because yeah, Vanity's ruler. Mediana Dryton. Decrease the attack now. Vanity's ruler. Tribute 2 to tribute summon. Fernando. Who almost timed out there? Jeez. Signet mining. Okay. World Legacy Succession. Oh wow. Marincess Seahorse. Surrendered. Nice. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. It's going first, so it's gonna load up on the Dark Ruler and RP's Feather Duster. That's really all I change. Fernando. I think I've dueled that guy before. That guy looks familiar, I swear. Let me just make sure it's recording. Yeah. Oh, gotta put on the card here. Right. Add it to your hand. Also, we got this one. Except water monsters. Okay. Mandarin for blue slug. That's it? Yes, come on. First, let's go. Cyber emergency. I thought he was just gonna end with like a bunch of Marincess card with his field spell. Whew. Cyber emergency. That's gonna get. It's definitely gonna get alpha. There's the alpha, zeta, Dryton shenanigan here. And for the Nova. Oh, I do have one there. Yeah, it's Zeta. An attack. And then Alpha. Tribute. Whoa. Effect. Get a ritual monster. This is a once per turn, right? Yeah. Zeta. Distributing the Benton. Combo breaker. Oh wait, he did Benton. No. No. I thought he was gonna do Zeta. Damn, Call by the Grave? Jeez. Call by the Grave, huh? That's okay. I could still got this, so Union Carrier. Two monsters with the same type or attribute. Those are the same type and attribute. Union Carrier, Link Summon, activate effect, target himself. Equip with the same type or attribute. Oh no, Marincess Wave. Dang it. Marincess Wave, huh? I can't even tribute him. Let's go. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Dang it. I'm gonna have to do that. Tribute, take control, and first let's midi on this Dryton. Natasha. Tribute Union Carrier. Kish Shogun. Cyber Angel Natasha. Activate effect. Target a monster, gain half the attack. Gain life points, half the attack. Okay. I'm gonna have to do Eva here. Oh, summon Eva. Go for Verte. Went a little bit too fast here. Verte. I need to get Natasha in the grave. Eva from the graveyard. Yes. What do I have in the grave? Oh no, no, no. How do I cancel that? Oh no. Do I just right click? How do I unconfirm? Oh, that backfired hard. That backfired hard. That was not the plan there. Eva, I went too fast. Damn it, damn it, damn it. There goes Natasha, vanished. Great. Dragoon Pop. Battle. Dragoon attack. Direct attack. Rotate direct attack. Fernando. I'm gonna have to discard this so I have at least two negates. Oh, it's Battle Ocean. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to begin the good side. Triple Tactics talent. What? Oh, No. Double tactics does not target. Right. Wow. Blue slug. No. I think all of his is unless he could link off my dragoon, that's trouble. Oh, don't link him off main phase 2. Oh! Oh yes, he just scooped it. He had nothing next round. That's it. It was a close one. Comment, share, like if you subbed it. Sub if you liked it. Let's duel wins. That was too close for comfort. See you guys.